You're standing. You're standing up. Yeah.
Make her walk across the floor again.
Go ahead, Peanut. You got it. You got it.
He's walking. She was letting you drag her.
I'm trying to get her to pick her lace. If you pick her lace
More than it would be a better effect. It's kind of hard to hold on to her doing that though too.
She's heavy, huh?
She's gaining some weight, but my hands are so big, she can still slip, like kind of slip out of them. If that makes sense, I don't know if it makes sense, but.
Woo! Bless you! Bless you! That was a big sneeze.
You're gonna have monster sneezes like me.
Hey, Daphne. Hey, baby. Hey. Oh, she's upset. She didn't want to be put down. Look at her little face.
Hi, beautiful.
Look at her little face.
Hi.
Aww. What's wrong with her?
You're gonna have to get to a jumper.
I know. She's old enough for one now, isn't she? She's almost 2 months.
Hey, Peanut. How are you? Hey, it's okay. Here, let's try this. I'm gonna pick you back up, babe.
I gotta eat real quick.
I'm gonna pick you back up. Just hold on.
Hey, look.
Hey, beautiful.
Smile, beautiful.
She's all, screw you, I want to be picked up again. My little, oh, look at her, so cute.
Give me a minute and then
I'll come back and pick you up. So I'll step outside with you.
Yeah, I'm going to take her for a walk after I eat.
Yeah, once that happens, I got to get a shower.